Happy 4th of July, everyone, from PuddyMod. And on the bench, we are working on an AP2 prop shaft, getting the new AP2 PuddyMod bearings. These are brand new bearings available now for the AP2 prop shaft. They can be modified for AP1, just have to ask me about that, but you still need an AP2 prop shaft to start with, as the AP1 prop shaft is different and it's splined differently, cannot get a bearing for it. These bearings have to be modified to work. They're not a direct fit, but anyway, they are available and available on the 4th of July, Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. We're all finished with the prop shaft now. Shop Kitty's taking a nap. All tuckered out. Came out super nice. I did these in black, kind of to give it a more factory OEM look. Freshened up the stamp on here so you know which end is the front end, which is the transmission end, by that letter F there that the factory puts on. And we got these in, which is awesome. This is a nice couple of sets of 410 ring and pinion gear sets for Honda S2000, and I believe one is for Miata. And I just sent these out and just got them back from WPC out in California. Izumi does this work. This is a patented process, and you'll see more about that when I get this build on the bench. But yeah, really nice shop peen finish here. Well, thanks for watching. Have a happy 4th of July. And Shop Kitty is just all tuckered out. Wait till the boom boom start there, Shop Kitty. Well, have a great day, and don't get hurt when you're blasting your fireworks. Thanks for watching.